Hi, my name is Jordan Hoffman, and today I'll be looking at the Kromlech Imperial Guard sets. Imperial Knights sets. I'm going to look at Imperial Guard in a moment. So these are just sort of accessory pieces or accent pieces for your Imperial Knights, and you could also use it for your Chaos Knights if you're so inclined, although, probably lends itself more one way than the other. But, you can change it up however you like. So essentially there's about 3 or 4 different sets you can buy, and essentially we're going to start with this big front piece here. So this one is from the, they call it Odyssean Knight carapace, but yeah, it's Imperial Knight. Anyway, so this is from if you don't know about Kromlech, they're a Polish company. They do injection molded resin, plastic, what else we got, and a lot of cork and plywood sort of accessories for Warhammer 40k or other fantasy sort of things. It's all in hero scale 28mm, beautiful stuff. Really, really proud to stock their products. They're a really nice company, very innovative, doing some really interesting stuff. And usually when they start doing releases these days, everything's in tandem together. So they'll do bases and they'll do figures and they'll do the whole lot all in one big release, all very close together. So if we look at this one here, for instance, we can see we've got the figure got the skull there, the Grim Reaper at the front there, and all this lovely detail along here. All the big rivets, everything like that. It's so so steampunky goodness. I don't know. It's just beautiful. And even the inside, they don't put a whole lot of crap on the inside. It's all really well molded and sculpted. These guys do a really, really good job. It's all a relatively small production run. They're not unlimited or anything like that. So eventually they do sort of get turned off and not done again. But they do take their time to really do the right thing. Oh, here's a Fallen Knight set. So this is not everything, but there's quite a lot in the bag. But this one's more of a chaos sort of chaos themed one. But as you can see, really, really cool. We've got the big symbol of chaos here at the front, and it's all pitted and everything, so it makes it look really wrought and distressed, dying. It's really nice, and again the inside's really clean. But you can see on the front here, it's just, I would say there's minimal to no cleanup involved on this at all, realistically. Maybe on the edges here, maybe, if you were so inclined, but I don't think you'd have to if you don't want to. Oh god. Shoulder pads here. Again, really clean, really nice, beautiful. And the other great thing about Kromlech products is they're always quite reasonably priced as well. You're not going to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars for this stuff. You're just not. They do a good job and they charge a reasonable price. It's fantastic. We're really proud to stock these things at Hobbymen and Hearns. We really believe that this stuff here is going to be a big part of a tabletop range in the long term. Look at that. It's so decayed. They even give you a little shield here. It's definitely not copyright issue. Yeah, again, clean, nice. But that to me is just fantastic. They've really gone out of their way to make a full cohesive range here with these plastic parts. So everything is well done. It's all put together properly. It's all clean and nice. Yeah, I'll bring this one in a little bit. Here we go. So it's all clean, nice. Look how pitted that is. It's so distressed and decayed. Here's another piece here. Look at that. It's so nice. I keep saying using the word nice. I shouldn't say that. Let's say it's really clean. It's beautiful. It's all within theme. And it all comes together to create a really cohesive piece that you can really, put something of yourself into, Here we go, some more pauldrons of the Odyssean Knight. So I'll show you both of them. I've opened up both the bags here. I'm a bit more of a fan of this sort of thing myself. It's a bit more going on, I'd say, than the Chaos theme one. But look at that. That is fantastic. It's evocative, it's strange, otherworldly. Little terrifying, you know? It's exactly what you want out of your fall, or out of your knights. You gotta love the good guys. And then here, again, pauldrons. Absolutely beautiful. So, for your Imperial Knights, if you're looking for something a little bit different, you're looking for something just to spice it up a little bit, add some extra detail, change yours up, make it a bit different from the other people at the club or your friends. So great. Some of these are really, really nice pieces to do that with. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. My name's Jordan, and this has been Kromlech. Ciao, ciao.